after everything about children, their parents don't need to pay money because everything is free. One part don't need to pay is very good. I think this solution is the best in Thailand.
What's it called? What's the name of the What's the name?
ASK. It's called us. It's called she doesn't know that. But what does the foundation provide for the to the children? If you don't know, what have you received? What do you do? You learn or what?
What is the provide foundation?
Yes, what do you do? The children do in the foundation.
Study. Study and learn how to play instruments, music, and do garden.
So you want us to go and visit you, is it? You want us to go Thailand, visit you there?
Yeah, okay. Or maybe they can also share like what do you do in the day? Like morning wake up, do you afternoon, I don't know, evening, a day of your life.
As foundation have two place in Pisanoro and Chiang Mai. In the past have only one, only Pisanoro and the in the past is not Piawer, is the another one. And Piawer, I'm not sure, maybe
Explain. You must explain again who is P.L. You don't know who is P.L.
Piawer is the
P is the brother, L who is L?
And what is somebody?
You must explain to us. Is he the principal or the caretaker or?
You want me to send him to ChatGPT?
You want me to say
Piawer is the
Principal.
manager or what you just said?
Piawer is the highest position in foundation.
Okay, move on.
Okay, carry on.
For Piawer is Paul Robert and
But it's what before it's all Ruben.
Kun Paul is father. Father Robert, children call and then maybe they are to get kid to buy. The name is Operation Hope in the past. Operation Hope and Piawer changed to as Foundation. And Piawer present new base in Chiang Mai. They have two. The daily routine in Chiang Mai and Pisanoro is not same. It's different. I don't know what the daily routine in Pisanoro. I only know in Chiang Mai. Monday to Friday, you go to school. Wake up at 4:50 a.m. And maybe do duty and have breakfast and 5 tea and go to the school 6:20 and go to school all day at 4 p.m. Go home. Somebody plays or play instrument music or do homework in it's up. It depends on the student what they want to do because it's like free time and have dinner at 5:30. After dinner, 6:30 worship and
Every day.
Monday to Friday go to school. After worship, you go shower and play telephone. They have time 7 p.m. to 8:30. Can play telephone and then go to sleep. Saturday in the morning, children go to play football. Not all children. Is they will separate part of children. Three or four children go to supermarket and macro to buy meat, buy food. Somebody go play football and the last part we go to Portugal. Singapore have Portugal also.
Avoid relate.
Sunday go to church and in the afternoon watch TV.
How old are the children?
In Chiang Mai, in the past they have been in prison home and they rejected Chiang Mai because they want to have good children. They have the good study result and good person can go to Chiang Mai because Chiang Mai is near the city and more opportunity in more than Singapore. The first they attended Chiang Mai, they said they only give the children good study result and good person. And for a long time, they choose the children is a bad person, bad study result can to Chiang Mai, but I don't know why they change. When they graduated Chiang
Is
Mai,
it boys and girls?
the purpose is to develop the children. But have somebody is not good, is a bad person, and can entrust to the Chiang Mai. Then you cannot develop children. And if you make the some children want to develop cannot because have the bad people in Chiang Mai.
How do you differentiate that group?
우리는 계속 있는 거야.
One is another section. Okay, good. Anything else you want to share with us?
How old are the children?
라지?
They choose the person, the children, they parents cannot look after to impact the population. Have some children, they parents can look after, but I don't know why they can impact the children and the company. When they in the population, they did not see the value in stay in the population. They like to open the water and throw away, open the light. When nobody stay in the room, they open the light. Is make the water and the electricity. The fuel is grow up.
So why are you here?